Last summer, I decided to make jam for the first time by myself. My grandmother used to make delicious strawberry jam, and I wanted to try to make it too. I had a lot of strawberries from our garden, so it was the perfect time to start. First, I looked up a simple recipe online. The recipe needed strawberries, sugar, and lemon juice. I washed the strawberries, cut them into small pieces, and put them in a big pot. Then, I added the sugar and lemon juice. The recipe said that the lemon juice helps the jam to set. I cooked the mixture on the stove. I had to stir it often to make sure it didn't burn. It was exciting to watch the strawberries change into jam. The kitchen filled with the sweet smell of cooking strawberries. After about an hour, the mixture looked thick and shiny, just like jam. I carefully poured the hot jam into clean jars and closed the lids. I felt very proud of myself. The jam tasted sweet and a little bit tangy from the lemon. My family loved it, and they were impressed that I made it all by myself. Making jam was a fun and rewarding experience. I learned something new and enjoyed the delicious result. I plan to make more jam in the future, maybe trying different fruits.
What ingredients did the person use to make the jam? How did the person know the jam was ready? What did the person's family think about the jam?